So, Rashid, we have one more surprise for you. Do you have a guess of what the surprise is?
I don't know.
No idea what Mo Vlogs would surprise you with.
You're the king of cars, probably.
Come, trust me.
Just keep walking straight. Okay, you're gonna walk in between. Yes. Careful, don't
Do you smell the surprise?
No, I smell Donna's perfume.
Wait.
Dior, do you like it?
Dior.
No.
Come.
Don't worry. All right, Rashid, are you ready for your surprise?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you excited? Okay, 3, 2, 1, open.
Oh, that's for who?
You.
No way.
I mean, you have it for the first week of you being 19.
Say wallah.
Yeah, enjoy it, my bro.
Done, huh?
But drive safe.
You know I'm a safe driver.
I know you're not. That's why
I'm the new Rashid Badass, you know? So this has a screen.
Yeah.
And this is different, you know?
I know. I don't even know.
You know what they call this?
No.
Technology.
Guys, so this is the new Lambo. It actually has a screen instead of buttons.
Yeah.
Wow, definitely sounds different. But oh my god!
Shit. Oh, okay, relax.
Hey, you sure you're gonna give me this car for a week?
Relax, bro. Hey, one day, that's all you get now. One day. Hi guys, we're gonna enjoy Rashid's birthday gift. I think better Lana drives.
Yeah,
Don't let the guys drive. I'm not even driving.
You know?
Yeah, I don't trust you guys at all.
This car is actually sick.
I know. Stop.
Wallah, I think my ear popped, man.
Bro.
So guys, if this gets 100,000 likes, Mo's gonna get me this car.
No, who said me? I said
No,
you.
you. Mo, you're getting that money, Mo.
Alright, let's go. Guys, if you drive safe, maybe you'll be allowed to buy one. Hey guys, we're going on a drive. See you soon.
We're gonna die.
Yeah, because she's in a bad mood, and we need to triple the insurance, inshallah.
Alright.
And please, well, not.
But this is your gift. You should be driving.
I know, but
No,
you know,
but I don't trust him, so no.
you know she's the king of Lambos, so.
Yeah, okay, alright, let's do this.
That hit really hard, bro.
That's why I just made it here.
Can you buy me one?
That's what I said. He's like, yo, I don't want it for the week. Give it to me
I
forever.
swear, bro, it's so sexy. That car is beautiful. I swear, feel her. I swear she's the worst driver. I swear. You saw that brake? I almost went inside.
What is it?
Hi guys, there you go. That's been Rashid's birthday. Happy birthday, Rashid. We love you. You got a bruised arm. Alright guys, that's the video. Subscribe, like. We'll see you tomorrow. And as always,
Yalla. YOLO.
My baby.